Hi sir, I am Bojan. Now I am going to talk about the hard work, resilience and self-belief maker, the man TV Venu Srinivasan. Venu Srinivasan is an Indian industrialist born in Chennai, 1952. He completed a Master of Science degree in Management from Purdue University in India, USA. He has received a Doctor of Management by Purdue University. He began his career as a mechanic. He became the managing director of Sundaram Clayton in May 1979. He went become the chairman of TVS Motor Company. In 1980s, he started manufacturing two-wheelers and became the Indian's third largest two-wheeler manufacturer. His net worth is US dollars 750 millions. He serves on the board of Tata Lit. He is also Vice Chairman of Tata Trust. He oversees Srinivasan Service Trust, which works in 5,000 villages in India. Srinivasan Service model is one of the self-development for village communities in India, covering education, healthcare, economic development. He also the chairman, board trustee of the Srirangam Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple. His associates with excellence and quality dividend with Sundaram Clayton and TVS Motor Company, winning the global quality benchmark, the Deming Application Prize in 2002. Venu Srinivasan is the first industrialist from India received the Deming Service Award granted to individuals who have outstanding contribution in the dimension on promotion to quality management. He received JRT Tata Corporate Leadership Award in the year 2004 by the All India Management Association. He received Padma Shri Award by the President of India in 2010 for his contribution in the field of trade and industry. Asian Network for Quality chose Srinivasan as one of the winner for its Ishikawa Kano Award for the year 2012 for his contribution to the theory and practice of quality management. In 2010, he was honored by South Korea President Lee Myung-bak with the Civilian Honor Order for his contribution to promoting blood trade relations between South Korea and India. The Indian government announced the name of industrialist Venu Srinivasan for the third highest civilian honor, Padma Bhushan, for their contribution to the field of trade and industry. He has received Doctor of Science by University of Warwick in Coventry, UK and IIT. At present, he is also Goodwill Envoy for Public Diplomacy, Republic of Korea. Venu Srinivasan was confirmed an honorary citizenship by the Mayor of Busan Metropolitan City, the second largest city in Korea. He talked about the characteristic of a successful leader, integrates and vision, and related this to quality of leadership. He said every institution has a finite life and quality helpings in making this life respectable and determines its relative longevity. He said that appropriate training, discipline and ordering of things, the mantra of Japanese quality, conferring the breadth and depth of process. Such a process does not give breath to extraordinary people but brings out extraordinary results from ordinary people. He talked about the respect that every employee in an organization deserves and the importance of molding them as leaders. Finally, leadership builds cultural in an organization and culture builds next generation leader. I have learned few great lessons from him successful journey such as hard work, how to treat employee, how to contribute the society, self-confidence, decision making, the problem solving skills. Thank you, sir.